This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joe in Callaway. First floor Mariposa Viceroy model in prestigious Gulf Harbour Yacht and Country Club. Light and bright with south and east exposure for lots of winter sun. Fantastic private lake and golf course views. Great room open floor plan with diagonal tile in living areas. Kitchen features lowered center island with level I quartz countertops, breakfast bar, stainless appliances with gas stove, tray ceiling, and pantry. Formal dining. All cabinetry rich wood and master bath has comfort height counters. Lanai has stone tile flooring, screen door to private yard and hurricane shutters. Upgraded fans and lighting, stove, microwave and refrigerator about 3 years old, air conditioner condenser about 2 years old, master bedroom carpet about 2 years old. Attached 2-car garage and large driveway. See attachments for Country Club renovation. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe in Callaway at 239-980-9999.